nice piece of white paper, large piece of white paper. I'm going to paint a seascape, a sunset with a pier on a beach. And so right now I have the paper upside down. Of course I had it sitting here. I don't know if you can see it, but a cat walked across it, left me a couple little dirty paw prints, whatever. I've drawn a line where I want the horizon, which is right here. So this is the sky this way, and this is the beach this way. So most of the painting you'll see is the sky. I'm picking out colors right now for the sunset, but what you'll see me do is wet the whole area where I want the sky and then drop the color in, and it'll flow, I hope, the way I want it to. This little line where the horizon is done with a watercolor pencil so that it will eventually absorb into the water. So again, the first thing you'll see me do is just paint the thing with water, and then I'll drop the color in. You do have to paint fast before the water dries. Well, not this fast, but fast, you know? You don't want things to dry or they don't bleed, the colors don't bleed into each other like I like it. Comes the dark sky. This is the finished painting. I'm sorry I lost the rest of the video of how to paint it, but at least you know how to paint the sky. Another recent painting. I like this because the rainbow reflects on the roof and the road. Don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.